Finally, hey guys!
We can go tomorrow to St. Laurent Cafe.
Bonjour! Huh? Yeah?
St. Laurent Cafe.
Where is that?
We went there this morning.
The bed is not split.
It's in three.
It's-
Before.
It can fit 3 people without splitting it.
Also, you're like this.
We're here at at Lovelin's grandma's house. So there's the bathroom, we have microwave. Is this the bar?
It's fucking empty.
It's fucking empty. What? Did you guys drink it?
But don't worry. We have champagne right now.
Oh, champagne. Are we gonna bring it tomorrow?
Bring it tomorrow when
We'll walk in, yeah.
Go eat. Somebody. Tapos naka-onto. Oh my God.
Huwag mong iwan bukas yung ulit. Ulit. Oh, okay, that's nice. Sige.
Give me that.
We just got done at the second set of the photo shoot. Lynn, and Mirella, the local tourist. What happened? What happened?
And I'm freezing.
Where are we gonna eat?
There's this restaurant that I like to go to on Mondays.
Yeah.
You know it. So you know my
Photo shoot wrap. Yeah. Kumusta naman ang alay lakad? Day 3. Is it day 3 or 2? I don't even know. You guys got here first. So we keep waking up around 6 a.m. I don't know why. It's maybe auntie's. It's auntie's fault right there. So yeah, we're going to Amsterdam today. I don't know what time. I don't have anything to pack. But we're just waiting on Mirella so we can go. But not until like 10 a.m. Transition. On our way to fucking McDonald's to get our socks. They have this limited edition socks. Since we love McDonald's, we're getting it for breakfast. I thought it was... Where was... Try mo dun, baka isang ano na per transaction. Bonjour! McDonald's for breakfast! I know, it's what I was about to say. McDonald's sugars. Not sweet.
Hola.
bonjour. We just woke up, went to eat at McDonald's, and then a lot of pop. I don't know what's going on. So we ate at McDonald's. I can barely remember. What did you get?
Oh my gosh, I'm ready to eat, guys. I'm sorry. Red is not my favorite color.
Hi guys! We're shopping, but everything is like not here. So everything we should go to Champs-Elysees. And we just decided to take photos.
We're gonna go to Lafayette.
Lafayette instead, but we're gonna go check out what? Hermes first.
The wheels.
Alexander McQueen. Yeah. Hi. Bonjour. Wow, this guy's. We're going to Amsterdam. Day 3? Yeah. No kami lang. Dito ka muna. You're gonna sleep here for now. But yeah. Look at this. Didi just got here. And she's bringing everything she packed to Paris in one day in Amsterdam.
We're going to Amsterdam. Wait, do you know where you're going?
No. We're looking for Sally's. Where is it? Huh? The red one? It should be by the end, I think. It's a corner.
It's close. We're leaving in like an hour, guys. So we need
No, I mean...
to call for more.
Huh? Wait. We made it to Paris. Where are we going? I'm not really sure where we're going. It's the first time and last time.
Well, I've been to the airport. Ganda pala si Victoria's Secret. Ay, total talaga.
So good morning. It's Monday. I'm in Amsterdam, and we did a lot last night.